11. My head is aching. My nose is leaking. Love tomatoes. Love. So today is the final day, like exam has, and I'm a bit scared. Like 1 बजे है मेरा timing and it's already 11:15 something, and I'm a bit scared. So I'll sit and revise, check the system. And most importantly, I'll eat something अभी भी कि तो भूख भी लग रही है. So yeah. And I guess that's all will be happening. See you guys soon. I'll have food first. Like breakfast अभी तक कुछ खाया नहीं. Like it's almost brunch now, so brunch maybe I'll eat now. Gotta stay fresh घर पे. Yeah. So let's go and eat. So I'll prepare, I'll do revision वगैरह, and उसके बाद around 1 PM it's gonna start and it will end by 3. But I feel like my paper will end by 2:30 mostly, like 1 hour is enough. So I'll prepare. I'm a bit scared, I'm shitty scared, so I'll catch you guys just before I start the paper. Yay! It was easy, but some questions were really hard. But I'm done. I'm done before it's like 2:30 and I got done with the paper. And I feel so sick. My head is aching so bad. इतना गंदा सर दर्द हो रहा है. My eyes are swollen and I was thinking कि मुझे थोड़ी देर के लिए maybe just allergy का कुछ हो रहा होगा. But I think मेरे को cold हुआ है क्योंकि my mom is having cold, my sister is also having cold today. And मैं बीमार ना हो ऐसा हो नहीं सकता क्योंकि it's quite impossible. क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा बीमार घर पर मैं ही होती हूँ. और लाइक आई हैव इश्यूज विद छींकने का, लाइक राइनाइट्स एंड ऑल, एंड आई हैव एलर्जी. सो इट वाज ऑब्वियस कि मुझे क्यों नहीं हो रहा. मुझे हो गया, बट लाइक मुझे कल से फीलिंग था एक्चुअली होगा करके, बट हुआ नहीं. लकी ना सुबह का लाइक थैंक गॉड एग्ज़ाम तक इतना कुछ हो नहीं रहा था. बट वंस आई गेव द पेपर थोड़ा थोड़ा आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग हेडेक. तो मुझे सुबह से थोड़ा हो रहा है. लाइक माई आईब्रोज आर हर्टिंग, my nose is runny, my eyes are also pain. But whatever, keeping that aside, I do have a lot of work today. Like मैंने सोचा था I'll paint few bags, but I am feeling so lazy. I was literally paper 2:30 को ख़त्म हुआ था and it's like almost 3 o'clock and I have been like doom scrolling and I'm looking for something to watch. Like I had watched that कोरियन ड्रामा रिसेंटली वाला, समथिंग एजुकेटर्स वाला जो तो उसका एक एपिसोड मैंने कब देखा था एंड अभी तक मैंने उसका सेकंड एपिसोड भी नहीं देखा है. नाउ दिस इज़ फर्स्ट टाइम एवर हैपेंड कि आई एम नॉट वॉचिंग समथिंग कंटिन्यूसली. तो मेरी सीरीज ऐसे फटाफट ख़त्म हो जाती है. सो या बट नाउ आई वाज लाइक कि आई एम craving pasta so bad, like spaghetti, tomato spaghetti, like but a bit of cheese, bit creamy, but little bit sour kind of. I love tomato pastas. I make it and I love that. So I was like, I want to have spaghetti. And मैंने इससे पहले आज तक घर पे वैसे spaghetti बनाना नहीं है. And I guess मैंने कभी खाया भी नहीं है spaghetti बाहर. But recently I have been seeing so many videos of spaghetti in my feed, YouTube पे भी, Instagram पे भी, and I'm like, I really want to have some spaghetti just the way I want, plus little bit I do want. So I was thinking कि मैं कुछ चीज़ें Zepto कर लूँ या फिर I'll go out and bring the stuffs. So I was thinking that, and I guess मुझे थोड़ा बाहर भी जाना है. So मैंने थोड़ा मेडिसिन खा लिया जैसे कि वो व्हाट इफ मुझे बाहर जाना पड़े. So मैंने थोड़ा मेडिसिन खा लिया बिकॉज मेरा सर दर्द होगा ना. इट्स सो इरिटेटिंग. आई वाज थिंकिंग आई विल हैव अ गुड आइस्ड कॉफ़ी टुडे. लाइक मुझे रात से था ये, बट I don't think I'll have it, but I think if I can have some hot warm coffee, because बिना कॉफ़ी का भी मुझे अच्छा भी नहीं लग रहा है. My head is aching so bad. I feel like I should get a nap. But I was also thinking कि शाम को तो मैं बनाऊँगी पास्ता. कोई खाया ना खाए घर पे, I'll have it. तो मंगाऊँगी spaghetti. I have to order tomatoes, थोड़ा cheese. I was also thinking basil भी मंगा लेती हूँ, even though मुझे एक बार ही पास्ता बनाना है. And what I'll do with that much of basil, but let's see क्या होता है. And what else? हाँ थोड़ा बहुत चीज़ें आई हैव टू डू Zepto, बट अभी कुछ नहीं करूँगी. मैं थोड़ी देर बाद ही करूँगी. हेड इज हिटिंग सो बैड. मैंने कैमरा उठा उससे एक बात करती हूँ तो थोड़ा फील होगा अच्छा. बट आई होप मैं थोड़ी शाम तक ठीक हो जाऊँ. और अगर मैं ठीक नहीं भी होती तो आई हैव पास्ता बिकॉज मुझे खाना है पास्ता. इट्स बीन सो लॉन्ग आई हैड पास्ता, बट वॉट एवर. 5 मिनट से मैं बक कर रही हूँ. माय नोज इज लीकिंग. Whatever, I'll catch you guys later. The sun is hitting so good. Like there is a building, तो उसके जो कांच है उसके मिरर पे it reflects back to our kitchen. So yeah, I am so sick. मेरा headache बहुत हो रहा है and I am still craving for pasta. And it's I guess around 5:30 and I guess I'll make the pasta. I'm gonna make the tomato pasta. I love tomatoes. Like tomatoes is the best thing. Sometimes I feel like I should have a farm of tomato. I love tomatoes. Like tomatoes are best. I love tomato pasta. I love arrabbiata also. But today I'm gonna make something like a bit creamy, not too much. I don't like too creamy because I like the flavor of tomato. So yeah. And I love tomatoes in pizza, sandwich, the crunchy tomato. I love tomato ka salsa, chutneys also. Tomato, I think it's such a versatile stuff to eat. So yeah, I just came back. Like I am sick, but I went out for some work and I came there from there and I did Zepto some stuffs like pasta, cream cheese, puree. Because I'm sick, so I don't think I'll be able to do it raw kuch. Sorry. So we'll start hunting for the stuffs. ये कुछ चीज़ें मुझे गायब लग रही है. I've already kept the pasta out and onions. Now we'll fetch the other stuffs. I need one butter clove. Then the sun is moving so fast. मैंने just 1 minute लगा मुझे ये सब निकालने को and 2 बज चली गई. This is crazy fast, bro. Yeah. So I was also having basils. Like basil भी मैंने separate किया था. Because I want to make pesto also one day. One day means 1-2 दिन में ही बनाना पड़ेगा. So I have basils. I had basils. Then I also Zepto mushroom. I'll add some mushroom. then a big tomato, because as I said, I already have tomato puree, so I'm not gonna add too much of tomato, but for a good crunch, we'll add this. And we have fudge, garlic. I will have iced coffee, but I had hot coffee, which was really comforting. And oregano chili flakes, these pouches only, because we don't make these stuffs as usual. Yeah. So butter इसका सही लाया मैंने, and we have cheese, तो मैंने उसको फ्रिज में ही रखा है. I'll take out later on. So I guess we start preparing. My God, I am just thinking how good it is going to be. Like,
to the beat they keep, fog hides truth in a smoky sweep. Moments kissed by the amber haze, soul stone stars light their reckless gaze. We're chasing nightlights in the city, spinning wild dreams out of pity. Every heart beats a brand new song. Time feels right, the world's not wrong. Streetlights flicker, a Morse code plea. Whispers rise from the cracks in the street. Loose-lipped poets on cobbled ground. Every word a kaleidoscope sound. We're chasing nightlights in the city, spinning wild dreams out of pity. Every heart beats a brand new song. Time feels right, the world's not wrong. Echoes rewind, spin back the dial, drunk on the charm of this retro style. Finger sap, let the moonlight guide. In this city, we collide. Glass hearts tick to the beat they keep. Fog hides truth in a smoky sweep. Moments kissed by the amber haze, soul stone stars light their reckless gaze. We're chasing night.
so that's all for this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm very sick. My head is aching. I just had a medicine and my head is aching like crazy. But I don't know will I be able to sleep. But till then I'll watch something, maybe the drama which I started. Means the drama show, not my drama. There is no end to my particular drama, so yeah, but the drama which I started watching, I'll watch that, maybe a key episode. That spark has ended. watching continuous dramas. But let it be. I'll see that. And uske baad maybe I'll sleep. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, bye.
체벌을 가할 수 있다는 게 핵심인가요? 그럼 기존 체벌 방식은 어떻게 되는 건가요? 폐지하신 건가요?
다현생들이랑 학생